I'll type Kinsella. A log of bra. Nitach force in a line tell us. That's as cold as it was the other days. What's that say? Bra. That's nice. We shall start more in the Harmagin. What's that? It's a master afternoon. It's another 3 o'clock afternoon. It's almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon now. So I'm more sure like. The match on is Bor Lorgan. There's Bor Lorgan. Sure, Jan just tried in the sea. It's one of my favourite walks here and in the sea. I guess the sunny angel, sunny chin. Right, just my hand is sunny now, just myself and sunny today. I guess, guessing my also much up my hand is my fan, Rebecca, which in the episode Taylor, gone Palhuela. Then we're joining us in the morning, no hour morning. We'll be doing that tomorrow. Myself and my wife will be recording the next episode of the podcast, Plague is Spree, either tomorrow or Thursday. Long as no line today. I guess if you might secure for the mark pages, will ain 20 me, no way in road they can you or via lobe. Mag we on the flay, air plague spray. Is there anything talking points that we could talk about that our listeners might find interesting? Anyone who listens to the podcast might give us some bit of August in the comments. You leave a comment down below and I'll might be able to discuss it pages on the episode. Yeah, I guess my off on you my fish on fad the ska. I haven't done a kind of a longer video ska or fast ska for a while. Fast ska in this. I guess I'm not more sure that you get my. Yeah, I was a bit of much like a jazz. I was just out walking and I thought it might be good jazz. It might be nice to do a fish on a video. Hallan I'm Shevakabra, you know. As the weather is nice and it's a raw river. It's not too windy. Gominic and I my togal oftentimes when I'm recording a togal. So the smash na rui. There's a breezing on Cackler, there is a bit of a breeze. I need on that breezing. It's only a breeze in the bay it's in. There's a couple of lie. Gown. A couple of lie. So the whole sunny curse more on. Hopefully Sunny's not taking an interest in the gown. In the lie in the calves. Yeah, Sunny that. Golinish. Jacharach is much a taff and our fatches over in case Sunny would be barking at them back near come on. He might kind of startle them. Ach, couldn't matter my a couple of them. Tashachamacham. To go on knowledge jazz. I hope everyone had a nice Christmas. I guess too sma. Gun I hope everyone enjoyed their Christmas and have had a good start to the year. Tus mianer, to which but not shafting had the hin. Yeah, we're almost a week already. No on show law, no like the man. Shinrod not my rocky cherry of Nadir and you know, so rocky of channel the man. Not like a small Christmas. I took a jazz, Nini, can make lesson on the man, took a jazz. I guess, get us in here, I guess I need someone in some room. I could room the Kinivliana. I've done the New Year's resolution to my hain, a couple of them hain, and my gear for my guitar, a couple of blenachan. I got myself a guitar a couple of years ago. I thought I was going and it's about 2.5 years ago. My shop of volume a guitar all them. Kind of as I need my gear, I ain't tough man, I know that for Magalo or a dechi. But as soon as the one volumes, I got myself a guitar a couple of years ago and I want to learn it. Vi my le a chen my lescule agus go Kylene Bug agus near net in arm that's it and soil agus lescule. You know, like when I got it, the baby, my daughter was born shortly afterwards and that's what the bit that's in arm agus that's an arm look you need time for everything and excuses. Shinner the one volumes in there, Shinner the one. I'd like to learn the guitar. Not to be brilliant, you know, but just to be able to play the guitar. That's anything my solar of a intach my guitar, as I said. Be Ross and Chidin in the Sailor Wild Atlantic Run me Ibran. So there'll be that run on in the Sailor here for the school, for the Mount School, for the secondary school every April. You might think between dot and this, I'm not sure about the exact date. Bovalum Bemarachuke. I'll be running 5k. It's Bovalum Eva and then Harta fisa cognumat, no free fisa cognumat. I'd like to be able to complete that run in 25 minutes flat or under. At least. Tá má muí nach man an dhéanana harta fis a cógnóma bíonn se sort jocuid tá Show Creek. There's lots of hills. It's a very hilly run. A lot of people that come and run here, they're kind of surprised, even seasoned runners, they're kind of surprised. It takes them kind of by surprise that how hilly and difficult actually the run is, because there's multiple steep hills. So much as Jonathan rack that kind of interferes, it disrupts the run, makes it more difficult. Jonathan rack. Much as Jonathan an okay, a young harter for the cogno mat. Someone who's able to run 5k in about 25 minutes might take them 26 and a half, almost pushing 27 minutes. Basically on the creek. A comparative ruicht. Kinching Isle, just Currum, Ganeach Rock, Moran Creek. If you're running on the mainland in the city where it's fairly level, fairly low lying, not many hills, but you might do 2 minutes almost, minute and a half to 2 minutes faster. So it's a difficult run. So, Bavalim Vanana on the heart of a code no mat. No, 5 as in sorry. So, Sin Harrod. Sin Harrod are my list. That's 2 things on my list. Yeah, I better go walk with the chin. I'm haying a sunny. So, go forward.